Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to make text bold in Google Chat. So for this case we have to go to the Google Chat option where already I have opened it before. So before that we have to click, I have to click my own account. Here is my educational account. So see here my account. So go to the chat options here. Is coming. So in these options there have, so we have to get the formatting option. So click here, see here the bold, italic, underline or text color. So I have used the bold. Click here, click bold. I have to write hello IT world. See, the color or the written part has been bold. If I don't write, see the difference between here is unbold and here is the bold color, bold thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.